Neat with Western Heritage Furniture again. Today we're going to discuss how to take care of a minor scratch. These happen occasionally, nothing to worry about. You can take care of these a couple ways. We can do a little bit of Old English for a light fascia one on the top of the surface there, or if it's a little deeper, we'll use our re-wax. First, we'll do the light one. Here, we're going to use our Old English. Let's put it on a rag. And kind of just rub it into the crack itself, or the cut, or scratch, whatever it is. And again, you're just going to let that sit there for a second. And just come back and wipe that off. It's as easy as that. Okay, and with our major one, we're going to take our short brush with the re-wax and just dab it into the scratch. We'll let it sit there for a minute, and then we're going to come back and just wipe it off. And then come back with our clean rag and buff it out. It's as easy as that.